After completing my BCom, I joined Deloitte, where I came to know of the US CPA, which is the US equivalent of CA, but it's only 4 exams. I immediately decided to pursue it. In the next few months, I completed my CPA preparation and traveled to the US to appear for the 4 CPA exams. On passing my CPA, I was recruited by Morgan Stanley in its investment banking division in Mumbai, of course, with a multi-fold hike in paycheck. I was rated amongst the top performing bankers on the floor, and in less than 18 months, I had created my way to join the Morgan Stanley team of real estate investment bankers in London. A dream come true for most chartered accountants or IIM pass-outs, and definitely a milestone in my career. However, I chose not to go to London. I felt that BCom graduates in India deserve better, and thereupon started my journey as the co-founder and lead instructor at Miles CPA. Today, Miles has been instrumental in building the ecosystem for CPA in India. We tied up with over 100 multinational companies, including all of the big 4. And we've been able to make an impact as we've helped scale up the careers of thousands of our CPA alumni. I'm excited that the CPA exams are now in India, and I'll be the guide by your side as you pass the 4 CPA exams in the next few months, so that you too can achieve your career progression. Are you ready?